Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Authorize Net Payment Form, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you understand and implement a secure payment system for your online business. To get started, you need to create an Authorize Net account and obtain an API login ID and transaction key, which are required to access the payment gateway. Once you have these credentials, you can proceed to set up the payment form on your website. The Authorize Net Payment Form is a secure and customizable solution that allows you to accept credit card payments from your customers. The form can be integrated into your website using a simple HTML code or through a more advanced API integration. To integrate the payment form, you need to choose a payment method, either the simple checkout or the advanced integration method. The simple checkout method provides a pre-built payment form that can be easily integrated into your website, while the advanced integration method requires more technical expertise but offers greater flexibility and customization. When setting up the payment form, you need to consider several key concepts, including security, PCI compliance, and error handling. To ensure security, you need to use a secure protocol such as HTTPS and validate user input to prevent common web attacks. In terms of PCI compliance, you need to ensure that your payment form meets the payment card industry data security standard, which requires you to protect sensitive cardholder data and maintain a secure payment environment. To handle errors and exceptions, you need to implement a robust error handling mechanism that can detect and respond to payment processing errors, such as declined transactions or invalid card numbers. Best practices for implementing the Authorize Net Payment Form include testing the payment form thoroughly to ensure it works correctly, providing clear instructions to customers on how to use the payment form, and offering support for multiple payment methods and currencies. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure and reliable payment system that meets the needs of your online business and provides a seamless payment experience for your customers. With the Authorize Net Payment Form, you can accept credit card payments with confidence and grow your online business with ease.